In this video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on Coinbase Wallet. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app and signing into your wallet. Next, tap Send if you're sending cryptocurrency to another wallet. After that, tap the QR code or scan icon next to the recipient address field. Now allow Coinbase Wallet to access your camera if you're prompted to grant permission. Next, point your camera at the recipient's QR code and wait for Coinbase Wallet to scan it automatically. After that, verify that the wallet address displayed matches the intended recipient. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to send and enter the amount. Next, review the transaction details carefully, including the network fee and recipient address. Finally, tap Preview, then Send to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to scan a QR code on Coinbase Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.